Hey all, thanks for joining us. As always, your favourite stock pick guru Simon here to join you all in a top stock breakdown. So with that said, welcome to the wonderful world of penny stocks, where the risk is high, but the potential gains are even higher. Penny stocks can be a great starting point for novice investors, as they don't break the bank, but you should definitely keep an eye out for any drastic changes in their price, as this can be a red flag for insider trading. Okay, let's stop rambling and get into our top picks for today. But be sure to wait until the end, because you never know what you might miss if you leave us early. First up is mobile rideshare platform provider Didi Global, ticker DIDI. Through the app, Didi provides a number of different services that include chauffeur, ride-hailing, taxi-hailing, auto solutions, delivery and transportation. Although still carving out a niche and somewhat similar to your already favourite rideshare platforms, Didi already sees more than 490 million users per year. Its prevalence in markets not dominated by Uber and Lyft is what's given them an edge, with big plans for European and American expansion in the future. We believe this could be a great stock to get your hands on. I mean, after all, gas is expensive and so is owning a car. So who doesn't love more rideshare options when you want to get from point A to point B, or home safely from the bar at night? Driving on over to the mining space now to visit the next pick on our list, we'd like to introduce Seco Mines Limited, ticker TGB. With over 55 years of experience and mines primarily in British Columbia, the company brought in £140 million of copper and £2.5 million of molybdenum in the last year alone. Seco has performed impressively on the financial front, with share prices up 200% over the last 2 years, and has plans to drive this even further. In our opinion, now could be a better time than any to jump on this growing penny stock. That's 2 down, but don't worry, there's plenty more where that came from. So let's keep on keeping on, right? Now we're all familiar with recruitment companies, and there's sometimes questionable practices, but the next company on our list does things a little bit differently. Professional Diversity Network, ticker IPDN, helps connect businesses with potential employees, but operates on the basis of diverse and inclusive recruitment practices. Everyone gets a fair crack at the whip, as they say. The pandemic was the initial catalyst for the company's growth, and it's seen a growth of 3 to 5 times since. Pretty impressive, right? While financials have taken a hit recently, this could present the perfect opportunity for investors like you to jump on board. So what are you waiting for? Next up on our list is Austin-based tech startup Funware Inc., ticker PHUN. With offices in Miami, Irvine and San Diego, the company aids other businesses in the development of apps and software for their own respective audiences. On top of this, they have also got fingers firmly in the crypto pie, with FunToken and FunCoin. Their recent announcement regarding the purchase of high-end computer distributor Light Technology solidifies their intent with crypto, and their stock price could see some great gains moving forward. It's all fun and games for this penny stock right now, so we believe now could be a great time to invest. Are you still with us? Excellent, because you aren't going to want to miss the last 3 stocks on our list. After all, they could make you a millionaire someday. One rising star stock in the biotech sector is Palatine Technologies, ticker PTN. The company has a broad spectrum of drugs in the process of development and has already received FDA approval for Vyleesi, a drug designed to treat women with generalized hypoactive sexual desire disorder. With orders up by 89% from last quarter, the company should have plenty of cash for its future projects, and now could be the best time to get on board. Now, hear me out. While we are all for clean and sustainable energy sources at the Stock Dork, from an investment returns perspective, oil and gas stocks are still as hot as they come, and Transocean, ticker RIG, is definitely making a splash. As one of the largest offshore drilling companies in the world, the company uses rig-based well construction services with trained staff, innovative technology, and quality equipment to locate oil in the ocean. With plans to cut emissions by 40% by 2030, the company certainly has one eye on the climate situation, which is more than can be said for most. A $181 million extension from Equinor SA for its harsh environment rig has really put a spring in the company's step in recent months, and there could be plenty more prosperity down the road. This is one to keep close to your chest, seriously. And while we're on the topic of oil and gas, it's definitely worth taking a look at the final stock on our list. Gran Tierra Energy Stocks, ticker GTE, is a Canadian company and has worldwide oil and gas operations, with most notable assets falling in Ecuador and Colombia. And there are plans for plenty of exploratory and drilling opportunities for 2022. Their production rates and earnings are looking solid, and some analysts think this stock could be undervalued, and in our opinion, we think it's a great time for investors to jump on board. And so there you have it. The curtain has called on our best penny stocks to buy right now. If you're like me and want bang for your investment buck, then penny stocks are definitely a good option to keep in your locker. If you want to spend a little more, then be sure to check out our video for stocks under $5 too, and trust me, there are some serious gems in there. While this video serves as a guide, it's always best to get out your shovel and do a little bit of digging on the company yourself, as you may well have hit the stock market jackpot. If you've enjoyed our advice in this video, let us know in the comments what you've learned and what you're still curious about. And of course, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.